Welcome back. Just finished printing. This is to go with my AirPods. It is. Pull this off. I have to use a raft. I've had so much problems in the past. Now, I haven't tried this yet. It should be very fitting. Welcome back. Here it is. It's an Apple AirPod holder. So you can just prong it in and out, and it'll go on charge. The outside of this is extremely hard to get on over there. Extremely hard. One bad design though. You've only got one cable, because it's moulded in it. You can't take it off. If you wanted to use it on your phone, you'd have to take it all apart again, which this would break. But I'm going to keep it on there because I've got two cables. Thanks for watching. As always, give us a thumb up, please like and subscribe. See you in the next print.